Hello everyone. In the previous video, we learned how to create the entry conditions and the position builder and the set exit for our SMA crossover strategy. Now in today's video, we'll fill the entry block of set 2, position builder and the set exit. So let's begin. Now our set 1 is a long trade, and so naturally set 2 will be a short trade. So we'll just copy the condition builder, just click on copy button, then we can just paste it. Now click on edit. Now, since it's a short trade, what we're going to look is when the crossover happens below the SMA. So, all we need to change are the comparators. So, here we'll invert it, we'll make it less than equal to, and here we'll make it greater than equal to. That's it. So, now minus 2 candle is below SMA, is above SMA, and minus 1 candle is below SMA. That means it's a downward crossover. We'll click on submit. Now, we'll add the positions. So, to add the position, just click on the add button. Now we have the position builder. Now instead of buy, here we'll select the cell. So when we select the cell, the color changes to red. Oh yeah, one more thing. What we did, we forgot to select the list. So you can select list Nifty 50. Now click on add. The list is automatically synced. You click on cell again, MIS and quantity as 1. Add. So we have successfully added the entry condition and the position builder. Now all we need to do is add the set exit. So we'll click on copy from the set exit of set 1 and again click on paste. Edit. Instead of less than, we'll just make it greater than. So whenever the close of the candle of 15-minute candle is greater than SMA, then the strategy will exit. Submit. Now we can click here on update. So successfully, what we have done is essentially we have completed the set 1 in the previous video, and we have completed the set 2 in today's video. So both the sets, or as I said in the earlier videos, set is basically a sub strategy inside a strategy. So both the sets are ready. Now all we need to do is add the universal exit. Now universal exit and counters I will explain in the next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.